Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new one glass door merchandiser refrigerator units. Brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Model on the unit, LC238. Okay, so this particular unit model is LC238. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you. I'm going to give you the exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length here, we're looking at a total of 21.5 inches. From the front to back, you're looking at a total of, starting from the bottom over here, it'll be 21 inches. And the overall height for this refrigerator, you're looking at a total of about 58.5 inches high. Okay, the unit does have wheels on the bottom, so you can easily move it around. Now, I want to go ahead and open up the front here and show you the front. We'll also show you the back of the unit. Okay, once we go ahead and open this up, you can see that on the very top, we have 2 fans for the cooling. We also have our temperature control on the very top right. And on the bottom, we have a switch right here for the lighting. There is going to be lighting over here on the inside. On the top, you also will be provided with these shelves. You have a total of 4 shelves for this unit. Now, inside measurements, front to back, you're looking at a total of 15 inches. Left to right, you're looking at a total of about 19 inches. And the overall height on the inside, we're looking at a total of about 42.5 inches. Okay. So those are going to be your inside measurements for this refrigerator. Now, lastly, I want to go ahead and show you the back. On the back, we can locate our plug at the very bottom. It is a standard US plug. On the top, we have a sticker with all the information regarding this refrigerator, including the model, voltage. All that information can be found on the back, as well as certification. Okay, so certification on this refrigerator is on that sticker. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on this one-door glass refrigerator model LC238. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you could also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.